Tessellation art inspired by the artist MC Escher. Hello, my most amazing artists! Today we're going to show you how to make a little tessellation art, and we also have some knock-knock jokes. So first I'm going to show you some of the tessellation art that Declan and I made today. All right, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. A tessellation is a repeating geometric or organic shape, and they actually fit together like puzzle pieces. And the easiest way is the slide technique. There's other ways to make tessellations that are a little more complicated, like by rotating a shape or flipping a shape. But we're going to show you the slide technique today.
And that
so he made this, and he also created
Sonic the Hedgehog, which is like a person that runs a school, like a teacher and like a principal. Sonic the Hedgehog and fallen leaves, like fall.
Yeah. And what's funny is this is the shape that we made that he repeated over and over again. But then this is another way you could have decorated this, and Aubrey colored this in. Here is a tessellation that I made, and you see the shapes all fit together. So here's how it works. You take a square of paper, and it works better if it's thicker paper. I happen to have this thick glitter paper. You can use a piece of cardboard, and below this video I'm linking a tutorial that is better than this because it goes step by step a little bit slower. Can I please use those scissors, sir? You're going to start with the bottom part of your square. Just on this bottom part, you're going to cut some kind of a curved geometric zigzag, some kind of a line, and I'm going to just go ahead like that, okay? Then all you do is you kind of put it together like a puzzle, and you have it go up like an elevator, and it fits on top. Then you will tape that. So I happen to have my handy dandy tape right here, and I'm just going to put some tape on the back, and it is taped together. And now this will fit together like a puzzle piece, and you can stop there. If you want to continue, you can do one of the sides. So now take one of these straight sides, don't put that in your mouth, and you're going to do another little shape, and I might just do a little bit of a triangle, okay? So that shape comes forward and then connects on this side, and it really does have to match up perfectly for it to work, and you really have to be careful as you tape. I could be I did a better job on my other one, but I don't want to spend too much time on this. All right, so after you tape them together, you can grab any sheet of paper. All right, and you're going to trace. It can be any way, and you can even make it look like something you would like to create over and over again, kind of like this looks like a fish. You can make this look like these look like horns.
Yeah, it looks like I'm a bullhead.
So maybe you want to make it into a bullhead. Just don't make your design too complicated because you'll have to repeat it over and over again. So you would trace this, and I'm going to do it real quick just to show you how they fit together. And I would recommend starting with pencil first.
I want to do that. I did Sharpie.
And he did it straight with the Sharpie. But if you do it with pencil first, and then you can go over it in Sharpie. So you kind of move your shape around and then find where it fits in. So this, you would turn like that, and that's another shape. And you trace that. And
Mama,
like that.
Mama.
This you trace there, and you fill your whole space so they all connect together. Yes.
Can I have that golden thing?
Yeah.
If you cut a thing right here, if you open it right here a little, it kind of looks like it's a bowl.
Oh, yes. You might have to turn it around this way. Kind of looks like a fish, or one of those angler fish with the little lamp.
Oh, yeah. But this is the horns. These are the horns.
Okay, so A tutorial to make the tessellation will be beneath this video. Also check out MC Escher's website, which will also be linked below. It's time for some jokes now.
Okay.
Scooch a little bit more. So we can see.
Okay. What do you get if you cross a skunk with a teddy?
What do you get if you cross a skunk with a teddy? What?
A Pooh Bear.
Oh, a Pooh Bear. Or a P.U. Bear. That's a good one. Okay, go on.
Why did the computer go crazy?
Why did the computer go crazy?
It had a screw loose.
Oh, screw loose. I get it. Okay, hit me up with one more, Declan.
Okay. What do you get if you cross a vampire with a teacher?
A vampire with a teacher? I don't know.
Lots of blood tests. Lots of blood tests.
Oh, because teachers give tests. That took me a minute. That's a good one. Okay, so again, tessellations, try it out. It actually was really fun and pretty easy. You only need marker and paper to do this, and maybe something hard.
Tell them about our tie-dye.
Oh, we did tie-dye, and today, if you can't notice, it's Irish Day. No, it's Leprechaun Day.
Yeah, Leprechaun.
So we're all wearing leprechaun stuff. Okay, next I'm gonna show you how the tic-tac-toe boards can be checked off for this project. All right? Yeah. Stay tuned. All right, so now let's look at our tic-tac-toe boards and see how this tessellation project could help you to fill out your tic-tac-toe. So I have the grade 1 tic-tac-toe board pulled up, and this you get to from the Art at Home website. Can you see which box you could check off if you made a tessellation? I see 2. I can use pattern and repetition because you're repeating shapes and you can make a pattern. You are using a variety of lines, especially if inside your tessellation you make repeating lines. That would be something you could check off. If we go ahead and look at 3rd grade, you would check off, I can create with geometric and or organic shapes. Depending upon the shape that you cut out, it can be geometric or organic. So this one is more of an organic shape, but you could of course make more of kind of like a quadrilateral or any kind of a geometric shape that you would repeat. I would also check off, I can use different types of balance because you are using symmetry because the tessellations are symmetrical. And if you did like a black and white type of filling in with color, I can use positive and negative space. And then I'm just going to do one more grade level for an example. For 4th grade, I would say I can explore and solve spatial problems because you are using your entire space. And I can create unity through repetition. And what do you see here? A tessellation. I also, before we go, I wanted to show you at the Art at Home website, the D6 for Art Teacher websites. I changed the teachers to Bitmojis. Aren't they so cute? And you can click on the face or the little name tag to be taken to that teacher's website. So obviously for me, you'd click on my face and you'd be taken to Art with Mrs. Voigt, but you could also check out the other art teachers' websites if you want. And there you'll also see that spring virtual art show. And if you click on that, you can see some of the beautiful art that you have all uploaded to Seesaw. You can skip ahead to a certain grade level, or it'll just take you right through to see all the beautiful art that you have made. And then finally, I will be posting below this video the link to this website, which is the MC Escher official website. And there you can click on the different collections that he has made. And here we just see some of his tessellation watercolors. And there you can get ideas before you start a tessellation and just see all of the amazing things that he has done. So I hope you have a wonderful week. If you try out a tessellation, please let me know and post it on to Seesaw. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.